Live in HD. This is Fox 6 News at 9:30.
Welcome back in. A California judge rules teacher tenure is unconstitutional. Attorney Adam Clayton helps us draw the legal lines tonight. Of course, many are thinking this could have ramifications with other systems across the country. What do you think about here in Alabama?
Well, Rhonda, what's interesting is this was a tentative order from the judge, basically finding that the teacher tenure system in California, where a teacher, it becomes very hard to terminate a teacher after 2 years, is unconstitutional. This is just like with Alabama that has tenure. It's a hot button topic. People feel very passionately about this on either side. In this particular order, the judge found that the tenure system was a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the California Constitution because it affected low-income schools that had a higher percentage of minorities than it did more affluent communities. And so in that regard, it believed it was along the lines of the Brown v. the Board of Education that ruled that educational facilities should be desegregated. This court found that the tenure system was actually having a more adverse effect to low-income schools than others.
Yeah, and according to this case in California, the judge and several of the experts in the case brought up the fact that there were more than 8,000 so-called bad teachers in the system there in California, and it could take anywhere from 2 to 10 years to actually remove those teachers from the system. So is this an effort, I guess, is the judge saying here that this is a bad law? Is this law in place to protect bad teachers?
Not necessarily that the law is bad, but that the practical application of the law has been bad and has an effect that's in violation of the state's constitution. In talking about that number, it's odd to say, but a city the size of Los Angeles, that's only 1 to 3% of all teachers.
So obviously this is something we will be following for some time. We know the teachers union there is appealing, and of course we'll keep you updated as more info comes into us. Thank you so much, Adam Clayton, for joining us. We'll catch you on the next case.